Have you ever wondered why marshmallows are so soft, bouncy, and sweet? There's something almost magical about the way they feel when you squish them between your fingers, or the way they melt in your mouth. Marshmallows are a treat that brings back childhood memories for many of us, whether it's roasting them over a campfire, floating them in a mug of hot chocolate, or just popping one straight from the bag. But what exactly makes them so unique compared to other candies? Here's a fun fact. Did you know the world's largest marshmallow weighed over 1,300 pounds? Imagine trying to fit that into your hot cocoa. This record-breaking marshmallow was so big, it took a team of people just to move it. It's a reminder of just how much people love this fluffy treat, and how creative we can get with something as simple as a marshmallow. But whether it's a giant marshmallow at a fair, or the tiny ones you sprinkle on desserts, every marshmallow starts with a surprisingly simple recipe. The main ingredients are sugar, water, and gelatin, but it's the way these ingredients are combined that creates the marshmallow's signature texture. It's a fascinating process that transforms ordinary kitchen staples into something extraordinary. Marshmallows are not just candy, they're science in a squishy, sugary form. The process of making them is a perfect example of how chemistry can create something delicious and fun. When you see marshmallows rolling down a conveyor belt, being cut into perfect cubes and dusted with powdered sugar, you're actually watching science in action. Their secret? It's all about the perfect blend of ingredients and a little bit of factory magic. The sugar gives sweetness, the gelatin provides that signature bounce, and corn syrup helps everything come together smoothly. When these ingredients are mixed just right, they create a mixture that's both light and stretchy. The process turns everyday things like sugar and water into something light as a cloud. Industrial mixers whip the ingredients at high speeds, trapping tiny air bubbles inside the mixture. This is what gives marshmallows their fluffy, airy texture. It's almost like making a sweet, edible foam. But how does this happen? What turns sticky syrup into the pillowy treats we toast over campfires or float in hot chocolate? It's all about timing, temperature, and technique. The syrup is heated to just the right temperature, then whipped until it's full of air. As it cools, it sets into the soft, spongy texture we all love. The answer lies in a step-by-step journey through the modern marshmallow factory. Every stage, from mixing to whipping to cutting, is carefully controlled to make sure each marshmallow is perfectly soft and fluffy. Workers and machines work together to create thousands of marshmallows every hour, all identical in size and texture. So, next time you enjoy a marshmallow, remember the fascinating journey it took to get to your plate. From simple ingredients to a fluffy, sweet treat, marshmallows are a delicious example of how a little science and creativity can make something truly special. Let's take a closer look at how marshmallows are made, from the very first ingredient to the final fluffy treat on your plate. Marshmallows, those fluffy, pillowy treats we know and love, have a surprisingly rich and fascinating history. Long ago, marshmallows were rare and special, nothing like the everyday snack we see today. Imagine walking into an old-fashioned candy store, where sweets were treasures and every bite was a luxury. Back then, marshmallows were a delicacy reserved for only a select few. The story of marshmallows begins thousands of years ago in ancient Egypt. Egyptians discovered that the sap from the mallow plant, which grew wild in marshes along the Nile, could be transformed into a sweet, sticky treat. This sap was carefully harvested by hand, a process that required patience and skill. The resulting confection was so precious that it was offered to the gods and enjoyed only by royalty and the most privileged members of society. The original marshmallow was chewy, sweet, and incredibly hard to find. It was a rare delight, served on ornate plates during lavish feasts. For most people, tasting a marshmallow was a dream that would never come true. For centuries, marshmallows remained a symbol of luxury and exclusivity. Only the wealthy could afford to indulge in this unique treat, and it was often featured at grand banquets and celebrations. The process of making marshmallows was painstaking. Harvesting the mallow plant sap was difficult and time-consuming, and every piece of candy was crafted by hand. This made marshmallows both expensive and rare, a true luxury item. Marshmallows were often given as extravagant gifts, beautifully packaged and cherished by those lucky enough to receive them. They were not something you'd find on every supermarket shelf, but rather a special treat for the elite. Everything changed in the 1800s, when the world of candy was transformed by new inventions and ideas. In France, creative candy makers began experimenting with new recipes. They mixed mallow sap with egg whites and sugar, whipping the mixture into a light, airy texture. This innovation made marshmallows softer and more enjoyable, but they were still made by hand and remained a luxury. The real breakthrough came when confectioners replaced the mallow sap with gelatin. This simple change made marshmallows much easier and cheaper to produce. Factories could now make marshmallows in large quantities, bringing the treat to people everywhere. Today marshmallows are enjoyed around the world, in countless shapes, sizes, and flavors. From North America to Asia, you'll find marshmallows in candy aisles, bakeries, and kitchens everywhere. Whether roasted over a campfire, melted into a mug of hot cocoa, or mixed into crispy treats, marshmallows have become a global favorite. Thanks to modern factories and centuries of innovation, this once rare sweet is now a beloved treat for people of all ages, everywhere. Marshmallows may taste magical, but their ingredients are simple. The main ones are sugar, corn syrup, water, gelatin, flavoring, and sometimes a bit of coloring. Sugar gives marshmallows their sweetness and helps form the structure. Corn syrup keeps the sugar from becoming grainy and helps the candy stay soft. Water is needed to dissolve both sugar and gelatin. Gelatin is the real star. It comes from animal collagen and helps marshmallows hold their shape. When cooled, it forms a springy, bouncy structure. Vanilla flavoring is most common, but some brands add fruit or chocolate. Colorings make marshmallows pink, yellow, or even rainbow bright. Without these basic ingredients, marshmallows would be just another candy. Together they create the light, airy treat we know and love. The marshmallow journey begins in giant mixing tanks deep within the heart of a bustling factory. Here the air is thick with the scent of sugar and anticipation, as workers prepare for the first crucial step in crafting this beloved treat. Massive quantities of sugar, corn syrup, and water are carefully measured and poured into the tanks. These simple ingredients are the foundation of every marshmallow, and their precise combination is essential. The mixture is then heated, gradually rising in temperature until it reaches a rolling boil, transforming into a bubbling sweet syrup. As the syrup thickens, powerful mechanical stirrers spring into action, churning the mixture constantly. This relentless stirring is vital. It prevents the syrup from burning or sticking to the sides of the tank, ensuring a smooth, even consistency throughout the batch. Meanwhile, gelatin, the secret to marshmallow's signature texture, is prepared separately. Sheets or powder are soaked in cold water, allowing them to soften and bloom. This step is crucial, as properly hydrated gelatin will dissolve more easily and create that perfect pillowy bounce. Once the gelatin is fully softened, it's time to combine it with the hot syrup. Workers or machines pour the gelatin into the steaming mixture, where the heat quickly melts it, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the sweet syrup. As the gelatin dissolves, steam rises from the tank, and the mixture becomes glossy and smooth. This is the moment when the marshmallow's unique texture begins to take shape, as the gelatin and syrup unite into a single, cohesive blend. At this stage, the liquid is thick, sticky, and almost clear. Far from the fluffy marshmallow we all know, it clings to the stirrers and glistens under the factory lights, a sign that the transformation is well underway. Now, it's time to add flavor and color. Whether it's classic vanilla or a burst of fruity flavor, liquid extracts and vibrant colorings are mixed in, giving each batch its distinctive taste and appearance. This step allows for endless creativity, as different flavors and hues can be crafted to suit any occasion. Throughout the process, advanced machines precisely measure and dispense each ingredient. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that every batch of marshmallows is consistent in flavor, texture, and color, no matter how large the production run. Even now, the mixture remains hot and runny, still a long way from the soft, spongy marshmallow you recognize. It flows easily, ready for the next steps that will transform it into its final, familiar form. Timing and temperature are absolutely critical at every stage. Sophisticated control panels and vigilant workers monitor the process, making constant adjustments to keep everything within the perfect range. If the syrup is heated too much, it could become tough and chewy. If it's too cool, the marshmallow might turn out sticky or dense. Achieving the ideal temperature is a delicate balance that requires both technology and experience. That's why skilled workers and automated sensors are stationed along the production line, checking every step for quality. Their expertise and attention to detail ensure that only the best, fluffiest marshmallows make it to the next stage of production, ready to delight taste buds everywhere. Now comes the most important part: whipping. The syrupy mix is poured into giant whipping machines. These machines beat the mixture very fast, adding lots of tiny air bubbles. This is when the magic happens. The hot syrup cools as it's whipped, and the gelatin starts to set. Tiny bubbles get trapped, making the mixture light, stretchy, and fluffy. Without enough whipping, marshmallows would be dense and sticky, too much, and they'd fall apart. Factories use machines that whip at just the right speed for just the right time. The whipped marshmallow is now thick and creamy, ready to be formed into familiar shapes. Its texture is soft and springy, thanks to all those air bubbles and the strength of gelatin. The fluffy marshmallow mix is piped or poured into long molds, trays, or onto conveyor belts. Machines control the size and shape, making everything from classic cubes to tiny minis. As the mixture cools, it becomes solid and bouncy. Workers and machines cut the marshmallow ropes or sheets into pieces. Sometimes machines use wires like guitar strings to slice perfect squares. Next, the fresh marshmallows need a light coating. They tumble through a powdery mix of cornstarch and powdered sugar. This keeps them from sticking together and gives them a soft, dry finish. After coating, the marshmallows travel down cooling belts. They are almost ready for the next step, or for extra treats like chocolate. Some marshmallows take a truly tasty detour. To make chocolate-covered marshmallows, finished pieces are sent to a special chocolate coating area. Here, machines gently dip them into warm, melted chocolate. The marshmallows are moved on conveyor belts through a chocolate waterfall, and each piece gets a smooth, even layer of chocolate. Sometimes extra toppings like colorful sprinkles or crunchy nuts are added before the chocolate sets. The coated marshmallows pass through a cooling tunnel, where the chocolate hardens into a shiny, delicious shell. This keeps the marshmallow inside fresh and adds a delicious, satisfying crunch. Chocolate-covered marshmallows are packed carefully, so the delicate shells don't crack. They're a special treat, combining creamy, fluffy, and crunchy textures in every single bite. Now it's time to get marshmallows from the factory to your home. Workers and machines work side by side to pack the treats quickly and safely. First, marshmallows are weighed and checked for quality. Then machines drop them into plastic bags or boxes. Air is squeezed out to keep them fresh. Some marshmallows are packed loose, while others go into trays to keep them from squishing. Sealed bags are stamped with dates and codes. Boxes are stacked on pallets, wrapped in plastic, and loaded onto trucks. The journey might be just down the street or across the ocean. Thanks to careful packing and shipping, marshmallows stay soft and perfect until you're ready to eat them. Marshmallows have come a long way. The first ones were made with sap from the marshmallow plant and sweetened with honey. They were used as medicine and luxury candy in ancient Egypt and Greece. Over the centuries, recipes changed. French chefs started making marshmallows by whipping up egg whites and sugar. Then, gelatin replaced plant sap, making the treats easier to shape and store. Today's marshmallows are made in giant factories using high-tech machines and simple ingredients. But the goal is the same: to create a soft, sweet treat that brings a smile with every bite. Every time you enjoy a marshmallow, you're tasting a piece of history, one that has traveled from ancient marshes to modern kitchens. From plant sap to factory lines, marshmallows have changed a lot. Today, they're made with just a few ingredients, mixed, whipped, shaped, and packed with care. Machines and workers team up to make sure every marshmallow is just right. Each step adds something special. Heat for mixing, air for fluffiness, sugar and gelatin for structure. Coatings keep them from sticking, and chocolate turns them into extra special treats. Modern factories make millions of marshmallows every day, sending them all over the world. Whether you toast them, bake with them, or snack straight from the bag, you're enjoying the result of a long, sweet journey. So next time you eat a marshmallow, remember, the fluffy factory is where the magic begins.